Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today I will show with you how to fix Roblox Account Manager. This experience is restricted. So guys need to go log into your Roblox account on here your home page and click the gear icon as your top corner as you can see here and go to setting. After go to setting guys, click on account and getting this issue, click parental controls and need set up a pin and not enabled, and here just this off like here and turn on, and you have a pin right here and just verify and I have turned this on guys, and you need actually set a pin here and create a pin and very quickly change verification method and verify. Okay, so as you can see here guys, you need to change the setting, allow experience all searchable on, and basically need to check option and all ages tables for everyone and ask the pin you just created, and if click unlock, then now account is giving issue with Roblox and will no longer give you issue that you. I hope guys this video helpful for you. See you on another video soon.